I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock a note in the Notes app on your iPhone with a password or Face ID.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Your first step is to open the Notes app. Once you have a new note that you want to lock, tap the three icons on the top right. Next, you will tap the lock icon. If it's your first time, you'll be asked to create a Notes password, and you can enable Face ID for quick access. Enter your password, verify it, and provide a hint in case you forgot. So you can create a separate password as it says here, or use your iPhone passcode. I'm just going to use my iPhone passcode. Then you're going to enter your passcode to make sure that it locks. So I'll enter my passcode. And then you will also enable Face ID if you want Face ID to be able to unlock this particular note. Then it shows locked notes. Tap the locked icon in the toolbar or lock your device to hide the contents from your locked notes. If we go back to our notes list, you can see that this new note is unlocked, and we can choose to lock this particular note by going to the bottom where it says lock now and tapping that. Now that note is locked. To unlock this note or open it, tap on the note, and then it shows that it's locked. Click view note, and it will give you your Face ID prompt and unlock the note for you.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.